Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Check out this 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 Cantius. Beautiful in the white gel. Got a hydraulic swim platform here, lots of space. Have 4 steps leading you into the boat. Great place to put your fenders. If you want to grill from the back. Moving forward. Got great wraparound seating. Let's not forget your Yeti cooler. This boat's powered by twin Volvo D6s, 380 horsepower each. Ice maker. Looking forward, you do have a sunshade that's going to come out aft. Refrigerator, microwave, TV. Have a range under here. Nice wraparound seating. I want you to pay attention to the styling and the detail that Cruisers does. Wonderful sunroof. View from the helm. Let's not forget the joystick system. Makes it super easy to dock. Moving down below, our first berth. Nice little couch, TV, nice size bed. First head, complete separate shower. Little closet space over here. Another TV. And of course, another head and separate shower. If you guys have any questions on this boat, feel free to give us a call. My name is Jansen, 573-365-5382. Thank you and have a great day.